Who got this? Dad got this.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a quick Dad Got This. I've already done my Dalgona coffee recipe. I've done it mocha, I've done it regular, done them both ways. I love these things. They're really good. You should try them. But I keep getting people to ask, well, what if I don't have a mixer? Can I make it without a mixer? They say you can. I haven't tried. Let's see. You guys know the recipe. It's super simple. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of boiling water, normally for me, the next step would be to turn on the mixer and let it go for 3 minutes. Or try to do this by hand. Getting there. It's not as fluffy as the mixer, where it just kind of holds and clings, but I guess I can still keep going. I don't. Oh, come on. Buy a mixer. Okay, I give up. This is good enough for me. But it's holding to the whisk, pretty foamy. And one of my commenters said it's really good in chocolate, which is kind of like a reverse way of making it a mocha without having to add the cocoa powder. Let's give it a try. Let's whip up some chocolate milk. Milk's still good. Good old Hershey syrup. I have no clue how much that was. Spoon. One chocolate milk, hand whipped Dalgona Coffee. Mix it up and give it a try. I got it thick. It doesn't even want to mix. All right. Oh, very chocolatey. Very chocolatey. I think I prefer it with the mocha in the whip. It's a more subtle. This just mainly tastes like chocolate milk. That's pretty well mixed. Okay, that's more chocolate, more coffee. It's damn good. I like the subtlety of just the regular milk with the cocoa powder. A little bit stronger coffee flavor comes through than this chocolate milk. If you're not a big coffee fan, this thing will do it. All right. Dad's Dalgona regular, Dad's Dalgona mocha, Dad's done it in a mixer, Dad's done it by hand, and with chocolate milk. So when Dad beats the Dalgona coffee horse to death, he doesn't do outros. So that's it.
For more fun and easy recipes, visit dadgotthis.com.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell.
I double dog dare you.
Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.